In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a table in Deepseek and paste it into Microsoft Word with proper formatting. Here's the plan. We'll start by accessing Deepseek, creating a table with a simple prompt, and then copying it into Word while keeping the original look and layout intact. This is great when you want clean tables without having to rebuild them in Word. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Deepseek and press Enter. In the results, click the official Deepseek website. Once you're on the site, switch the interface to English by clicking the English option. This makes the menus and buttons easier to follow for our workflow. Next, click Start Now to open the main workspace. You'll see a prompt box where you can describe the table you want. You can simply say something like, generate a table about marketing. If you want to make it more precise, you can mention the columns or the number of rows, but a plain request works too for a quick start. When your prompt is ready, click Submit to generate the table. After the table appears, highlight the entire table in Deepseek. Start at the very top left of the table, click, hold, and drag down to the bottom right so every cell is selected. It's important to include all rows and columns so you don't miss any headers or formatting. With the table fully highlighted, copy it normally by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now open your Word document. Position your cursor exactly where you want the table to appear. To keep the original formatting from Deepseek, paste using Keep Source Formatting. You have a few ways to do this. You can right-click, look for Paste Options, and choose Keep Source Formatting, which is the icon with a paintbrush. You can press Ctrl+Alt+V and select HTML Format, which preserves the layout and styling. Or you can go to the Home tab, click Paste, and choose Keep Source Formatting there. Once pasted, take a quick look to confirm the fonts, borders, and column alignment carried over correctly. You should see the table structure intact, with headers and cells matching what you saw in Deepseek. That's it. Your table is generated, copied, and placed in Word with its formatting preserved, ready to use in reports, proposals, or presentations. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating sharp, consistent tables with Deepseek and Word.